1946 Plymouth Special Deluxe Club Coupe here at Unique, especially in classics. Inline 6-power, 218 cubic inches underneath the hood. That is paired up with a 3-speed manual column shift transmission. Let's take a look at the chrome and bright work up front on this one, and there is a lot of it. Good looking front end. Of course, 46, the post-war year cars. I'd consider this color kind of a deep plum metallic, I guess, if you will. Good looking color in an old car like this. There are some very, very light scratches in the top of the fender there, if you can kind of see. Like I said, they're very light. Car still has a great look to it. Speaking of which, you'll be able to see it from every angle. Interior, undersides, trunk, in the still pictures, and the still pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. If you're watching this video on YouTube, click on the link down below the video in the description. That's going to take you right there. Of course, you can call us, 507-386-1726. Steel wheels, Plymouth center caps or wheel covers, and the beauty ring, of course. Goodyear super cushion, wide white wall, bias ply tire for that authentic look. Let's take a look down this passenger side, and you can see it's really free of any major nicks, dings, or scratches. You might have an imperfection or a little touch up here or there. Overall, it's a fun car to drive. Take your local roll-ins, cruise-ins, local shows. Love the windshield visor on it. Again, that old school look. Bright work down the passenger side, also looking good. Still has a 6-volt system in it. Brakes are at 80% in the front, 60% in the rear. Has newer wheel cylinders in great shape. Technician did note wipers were in op. All right, take a look at the chrome in the rear bumper. Bright work in the rear of the car, also looking good. Love this incorporated light into the Plymouth logo. And once again, those still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com. If you like these post-war early cars, subscribe to our YouTube channel. You never know what you'll see come through here at Unique Classic Cars. Videos are uploaded daily, and when the videos are uploaded, the vehicles in them are available to purchase. You can do that right off our showroom floor or online, of course. You can see paint has a nice shine to it. See the reflection in it. Recently buffed and waxed. This one will turn some heads. All right, take a little closer look at this interior. Very stock looking interior. Door panel looks good. Kind of just a medium gray shade of cloth. I have not noticed any rips, tears, holes in the seats. The headliner looks good. Visors intact. I've had the radio power up, but I've not had it produce sound, and you'll see that in a second. So let's go ahead, turn the key right there. There you can actually hear sound from the radio, but I have not gotten reception, let's put it that way, but you can see it lights up. Cool old radio. Turn it off for now. All right, push button start over here, this side of the dash. You can see oil pressure come up, amp meter, fuel gauge, and temperature or heat. That's what they have on that. Make sure we're in third. Make sure we're in neutral. 3-speed manual, shift on the column. Good looking dash. Take a listen. Sounds good. Smooth runner. Let's slip up to the front and let's go ahead and get this hood open. All right, hood popped. See this horn setup. pretty cool in the front. They're not small horns either. And engine bay, so battery disconnect with 6-volt system. Inline 6, 218 cubic inches, and that baby is running smooth. Look at that. Looks good, sounds good underneath there. This will be a fun one. Good looking car, 1946 Plymouth Special Deluxe Club Coupe, uniqueclassiccars.com. Check out all the still pics. Number to call, 507-386-1726. We do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation. And this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, it's George from Motorhood Podcast at Unique Classic Cars.
Hey, and this is Jeremy, and we're here to tell you where you can find our podcast. So first off, on all the Audible platforms, including Spotify, iHeart, etc., and also right here on the YouTube channel where you can find all of our episodes,
as well as the rest of our shenanigans.
A few other fun things that we'll do.
And when in doubt,
gas it.
Welcome to Motorhood.
Today we're driving a 1946 Plymouth Club Coupe in Burgundy. This is a 3-speed manual right here on the column. 3 on the tree. If you can drive a regular clutch, you can drive a 3 on the tree. Our oil pressure gauge is showing about 45 to 50 psi. The amps are charging over halfway on the gauge. Our temperature gauge is approximately 180 degrees Fahrenheit, and the fuel tank is almost 3/4 full. Really quite a nice ride from this car. Absorbs the roads, bumps very well. We have a nice sun visor over the windshield. Always makes the car look more very correct to me. Simulated wood grain on the dash. Well done cloth door panels and seat, bench seat up front and back. Aftermarket turn signal attached to the column. That is working. A little bit of squeak in the clutch pedal when you get it all the way down. Brakes feel good. Corners luxuriously and easily in the corners. Still have the crystal and the hood ornament. A lot of times those are broken out and hard to find. Even the horn sounds good and works as it should. Take a look at all the pictures of this 1946 Plymouth at uniqueclassiccars.com.